Jake Paul. Well, is he broke? According to his brother, he is. He put all his money into crypto, and recently there has been a huge crash in the crypto market. We're going to take a look at the crypto chart in a little bit here. But after this YouTuber has made about $36 million last year just from fights, not everything else he does, he's made more than that. But a big chunk of that change he put into crypto. And recently, there has been a huge crash in the crypto market, as we all know, if you're following crypto. Bitcoin dropped about 25%, and it's been the lowest in the 18 months. Extreme market conditions on Bitcoin had Celsius pause all the withdrawals earlier this week. Coinbase announced laying off about 18% of its staff because of crypto winter. And this crypto winter is just not moving away at the moment. Logan used air quotes when talking about Jake boxing career and was asked about the money he has made in the last few years. And he says, it doesn't matter. He put all his money in crypto, and he's poor. Now, he bought a lot of NFTs, he bought a lot of crypto, and thinking, he's going to double, triple, quadruple his money, except for now, with the market crash, all of that is getting wiped out. And that's happening not just for, rich, big people, but also people out there that put their money in, and a lot of money in it, thinking it's going to be a big deal. But currently with the crypto winter and markets crashing like crazy, and not just crypto market, but stock markets and everything is crashing as well. US 30 now is, we've been seeing big dips, 800 points lost every day almost. And it's just crazy. The 25-year-old said, so Jake Paul, Biden's accomplishments. Number 1, highest gas prices. Number 2, worst inflation. Number 3, plummeting crypto prices. Now, Biden does have nothing to do with cryptocurrency, but he's adding that to it. Number 4, highest rent prices ever. Number 5, created new incomprehensible language. If you've followed his speeches where he just blabs, you would know what he's talking about there. And he's got a point. If you're reading this, you voted for Biden and you still don't regret it, then you are an American problem, according to him. So he's got another fight coming up, but it's not confirmed yet. They're still talking about it. We know for him to get a chance to make some of that big chunk of the money back. But, with crypto dying the way it is, a lot of people are losing money. Even celebrities that put their money into it are really suffering at this point. Now, let me go to the charts here. We're looking at the weekly BTC, Bitcoin. If you watched my earlier videos, I went over the psychology of trading and where it's headed, what it's doing, and where we can see some kind of change happening. Now, this is something that I had pointed out that it does. So it has fulfilled that at this point. All right. Now, this is where we should see it bouncing back. It's got to that point where it should bounce back, according to the charts and analysis and everything. If it doesn't and it falls, now that's a big deal. That's a wipeout right there. When it was around here, I mentioned that it could get here, and if it does, it could bounce back. If it doesn't, if it falls, I mentioned it would come here. Now, I am watching, and do go watch my other video, Psychology of Trading, where I do mention when you would be looking to buy. And I'm watching this in order to get those confirmations that I put on the other video. Once those confirmations come in, then I will be looking to buy into it. But at this point, this thing is just dying. But it looks like it might be towards the end of its fall. Now, on immediate look of what's happening right now, we have this peak here, it coming down, and then doing this. So now it's ranging in this area. It could break out one way or the other. This shape that I've just, which, you know, looks like a hockey puck, but it's also known as the bear flag. Bear flags normally mean another down is coming. If this comes back down here and breaks through, we're looking for another fall. If this was to go back up here and break out of here to move up, that is actually a better sign that it could be reversing at this point. But with all the indicators here and the bear flag and all the EMAs and the way it's been moving, it looks more bearish than bullish at this point. Anyway, Jake Paul is now broke due to putting all his money into crypto. And I wouldn't lie, my portfolio is severely suffering right now as well. But I can hold. That's what, you know, I knew that going into it that I would have to hold. I'm not in this, you know, just for in and out and quick cash, but I'm in this for the long haul. So I'm holding what I have, and I will add when I see that change happening. I will let the group, you know, on when that happens and when we can buy and hold and take it onto the long run. So if you want to be in on the know-how, then do join the group. The links in the are going to be in the description. But that's what's going on so far. Just thought I'd bring that out to you guys. See you guys in the next video.